All right, I'm still kind of getting ready as we're talking. So as I'm looking at this and not looking at you, there really is a reason behind it. Welcome to day 2 of the test, the geometry test, where we start by, you've now got all those geometric figures that you've done. We start a little bit by looking at some of these geometric figures in art. Can you see this? No, you can't because I'm in the way. There's a man by the name of M.C. Escher who really did a lot of good artwork. This is a self-portrait he did. It's a drawing, yes, it is a drawing, but that's him. And you can see the artwork that he is. He's a wonderful artist, amazing artist. And you can see what you can do with geometry and art. He's created wonderful artwork that has mathematical overtones. These items, these repeating figures that you see in lizards, and you can see a lizard and going to different directions, are called tessellations. We won't be getting into them right now. You'll see them next year. You can see how with his artwork, what he's created. Some more tessellations that start off with fishes and end up with birds. Repeating patterns. When you see this drawing of his, what do you see? Do you see angels or demons? Do you see the white? Can you see this white angel with wings right here? Or does the demon or the bat-like item show up more in your mind? Those repeating patterns. A fun one that he did, fun drawing he's done. You know, looking at it from a different perspective. Talk about abstract. Which way is up? And we could spend a lot of time on that drawing if we wanted. And then one of my favorites that he did was follow the path of the falling water. And the waterfall, and then it goes through the water well, and then just goes down. It goes down and down and goes down and it goes down and down. And then it hits the waterfall, and it goes. Oh wait, no, okay, what? He's also got one with steps where someone's walking up steps, and they just continue to walk up steps. And you can see some of the perspective shifts that occur and some of the changes that are made. That looks like a right angle. When you come over here, it's actually right back on top of it. So how does that occur? Anyway, that's M.C. Escher. There's another artist from days gone by. His name is Pablo Picasso. He made art that lasts. I'm looking for another piece, but his artwork and costs millions of dollars. It's beloved artwork. Here's another piece, for example. Look at that beautiful drawing. Something about that. I mean, I wouldn't spend millions, but there's people out there that would spend millions for his artwork. Or he's got a perspective like this. We could spend time, if we had a lot of time, discussing the geometric figures in these drawings. I just wanted you to see that there are geometric figures in these drawings. And what is that? Is that a dice? Is that what that is? Just wanted to give you some examples, because what you now do with the information from yesterday, some geometric figures we could go through. You can go back through the video and look at some geometric figures that are in there. Is now this information right here that you did yesterday, you're now going to create art. So take a white piece of paper, and you're just creating a scene like it says here. You're going to make a rough draft of either a scene from your past or maybe a scene from your future, something you hope happens. You can make a flag, you can make an emblem or a coat of arms or another piece of art that you would like to make. Get my approval before you go too far on it, because I don't list it here. If you choose to draw something simple, then yes. Here we go. Yes, if it's not very abstract, then you're not going to get very much of a grade. Really, you don't have to be Pablo Picasso. You don't have to be M.C. Escher. You do have to put a little bit of work into making something that is actually abstract, actually has these mathematical figures in it. And this, just kind of do a rough draft drawing of what it is that you're going to make. After I say that, yes, that's a good idea. Or at least if I tell you, well, yeah, you'll get a low score on this one. You know, if you want to draw a box, okay, yeah, you know, you'll get a score that matches that. So spend some time thinking of something and getting permission before you start the next steps on this test for this week. And then start making the rough draft. Thanks for watching. We'll talk a little more tomorrow with tomorrow's part of the test, the finishing touches of the test. Bye-bye.